In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an image to text using Google Docs, specifically changing a JPEG file into a DOCX format. If you have an image with text that you need to edit or store in another format, this guide will make it easy for you to transition from a static picture to dynamic, editable text. First, let's start by heading to Google Drive. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Drive homepage. If you're not automatically signed in, make sure to log in with your Google account. Once you're in, locate the image that you want to convert. You may have already uploaded the image to your drive, but if not, you can effortlessly drag the image file from your computer into Google Drive to start the upload process. Now that your image is in Google Drive, click on the image to select it. You'll notice a toolbar at the top of the screen with several options. Look for and click on the option labeled Open With. After clicking Open With, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose Google Docs. Google Docs has a fantastic feature called Optical Character Recognition, or OCR for short. This function allows Google Docs to take the text found within your image and turn it into editable text within a document. Once you've clicked on Google Docs, a new document will open displaying the image itself at the top of the page. Take a closer look at your document. You'll see two distinct sections. At the top is your original image, providing you with a visual reference. Underneath the image, you'll find a section of text. This text is what Google Docs has converted from your image. It's important to carefully review this text because OCR technology can sometimes misinterpret characters, especially if the image quality isn't high or if the font used in the image is particularly stylized. Now that the text is in a Google Docs format, you can start editing it just like any other document. Adjust any errors, style the text as needed, and perfect it to match your needs. To finalize the conversion, go to File in the Google Docs menu, navigate to Download, and select Microsoft Word DOCX. Your document will download to your computer in the Word format, having successfully transitioned from an image to editable text. This process is a fantastic way to save time, enhance productivity, and ensure your content is versatile and easy to manipulate. I hope you found this guide helpful. Now you can easily convert any image with text into an editable format using just Google Docs. Thanks for watching and happy converting.